Hey guys, my name is Junaid, and today we are going to review our trades for 29th of October. So I took five trades. So we'll start with AMD. So this was the trade that was the AMD short. So if I were to scroll back right here, maybe this should be good. Okay, that's good. So the first trade was AMD short, and then here it was like 5 minutes opening range breakout. As you can see, my entry is not ideal. It was a bit extended, so like ideally you want to have your entry right after this range is broken, but my entry, so I was supposed to have 264, but my entry turned out to be 263.45. Yeah, so let's say on 1 minute candle it would have looked like uh, here this is pre-market is acting resistance, went down, and entry would have been somewhere around here, right here. Okay, and then would have probably 264 and 22, and my partial 260. This will be my stop loss, and I probably might have took a partial here, but anyways, so this was a losing trade. So entry here, got stopped out here because my stop loss was right here, and then next trade was long. So I was long here, and then I kept waiting. So it felt like there was some sort of resistance, and even I was able to see some resistance in market atlas. So after like 3-4 candles, they failed to break, so I just exited here with the break even, and then yeah, this turned out to be again a losing trade. So this was 32 cents. It was like a break even trade. Then my third trade again was a short trade. So yeah, again here I had a loss of 1 hour, which right now is $25. So then I took another short here. So again it was uh, like breakout, pullback, then confirmation candle was right here. So I entered here, and then my stop loss was around here, around VWAP area, and it just hit my stop loss again, 1 hour loss, and then I exited out of it. So 2 loss. And then the third one was my entry was here, around 264, and then again same idea. If you look at the 5 minutes, it was like right around here, because Atlas showed like lots of orders at I believe somewhere around here, so that's why I was hoping it would work. So I entered here, then my stop loss was actually, let's go to 5 minutes. So I entered here, my stop loss was this, and then sorry, I entered here, my stop loss was somewhere around VWAP, and then I just waited, and then I just chickened out so early, and then I exit here with like I think this turned out to be pretty much break even trade as well. But if I would have waited and inspected my thing, it would have been at least, let's say, 264, 265, 36, 264, dollar and a half, and then 262. So it would have been at least 2 hour trade. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So then just kept on selling all the way here. Yeah. But I was able to benefit from all these moves. So yeah, that was a loss here. Then my second trade was in, sorry, my, I don't even know, fourth trade. That was in SMCI. So if I were to go to SMCI chart, it gapped up in the pre-market. So if I were to show here, as you can see, it gapped up in the pre-market. Then as soon as the market opened, uh, here we go. As soon as the market opened, it's gonna start selling off, and I was looking for 5 minutes ORB, and then as soon as I think my entry here was pretty good. So this was candle. It's sort of indecision candle. So I just entered right here after some sort of confirmation, and then it just starts selling off. Then it went back to my stop loss, and then again 1 hour loss right here. Then I think I did try it one more time. No, I did not. Then it just kind of kept on trading in a range. That's a previous day high, and then it just kept on trading between previous day high and then this level. And then finally, when this level was broken around 11 o'clock, that's when it just sold off a little bit, not too much. And then yeah, it just kept on testing this level, sold off. So yeah, that was another losing trade. Then the last, actually no, I had a couple. So Tesla. So this trade was not actually. I did not take this trade. It was somehow this position was open from yesterday. If I were to show you guys here, so this triangle here, this is where when I woke up, when I turned on my dash, I saw this position is still open with a loss of like 16 bucks. So instead of waiting, I mean I could have went back to 458, but I was like, nah, I just don't want to take a chance. So I just sold off with the loss of 14 bucks. But then again, I took this trade for an ORB, I believe, or we breakout. Yeah, so I took it as a ORB. So yeah, we found a clear support. It was above this level, so I entered here just above pre-market low, and my target was to at least go to a pre-market high, which it did. But see how poor my trade management was. So I entered here. It could have been a bigger breakout as well, same sort of idea. Could have my entry would have been here. So my entry was here for 61, 70, and then it went to 465.82, and I only managed to get 1 hour. So, and then even though I know the level is very strong, I have seen this pre-market high level acting as a strong support and resistance. Even like for Tesla, you can see clearly that it's actually respecting this level a lot. Like pre-market low, it's been bouncing here quite a few times, acting as a resistance, and even here it acted as a support to some extent, and here same idea, acting as resistance. So it does respect this level a lot, but I just did not partial well. So yeah, these were a few of the trades. Again, learned a lot from these. So I'm almost ending my month of October, and from next month my goal is to focus on just one trade at most every day, but just try to refine my trade management. So by that I mean whenever a trade gets to 2R, I should at least have I think $40 right now, but I'm thinking to just at least exit out of my all of my position, maybe leave like 5% or something out, because right now when I was looking at my journal, most of my trades, even though if the trade gets to 2R, I'm still stuck to like 1R or 1.5R in profit, so which I should at least aim for 2R for the trade. So yeah, that's my plan. First partial is going to be always at 1R. Then either when my stop loss will break even, then either I stop out, or my second partial is going to be at 2R, which is going to be 90% of the entire stock. Or if the level is not strong enough, if I see the room to grow, then I can do maybe 80% there and then wait for it to go. So yeah, this is a plan, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.